Hello, this is another nice example for a geometry-based marionette object. Geometry-based means I input a 2D representation of the door, and I input a 3D representation of the door. I have here these two symbol names I input, and the 2D symbol has some additional informations for reshaped zones of the 2D, so that it works with the used Marionette reshape nodes inside of that. The symbol, the Marionette object has an option to show the 3D graphic or to hide the 3D graphic. If I want to work as fast as possible in the 2D plan, I can just switch off the 3D representation and the ability to drag it into the wall like a normal plugin. What I can see is it gets the wall width and adjust it to the wall width. I can just duplicate it like a normal symbol into the wall. I can mirror it. I can position it like every other object which is inserted in a wall. Let's just switch on the 3D representation of the door, and what you can see is that we have a very detailed modeled door. Geometry based has the big advantage that we can make very detailed informations in that object without to use hundreds and thousands of parameters. So there are just three parameters: the width, height, and the depth of the door, and the input of the symbol names. And here these two are to visualize the door opening into the 2D representation. Let's edit the script. Let's take a look at the script. I have to edit the script with an object which is not inserted in a wall. You can right-click, edit the script part. The script part is a symbol. It's a symbol because it allows to sync the script between different doors in your project. So I have to edit the symbol, and I have here this script, which is quite big, but it's not so complicated, I say. I use here this part to insert the symbol and get the 3D representation out of the symbol with this. Maybe this is there is an easier way to do that, but that's the way I found out that the second container into a symbol is the 3D representation of the symbol. Then in this part, I just reshape this 3D representation in three directions: width, height, and depth of the object, and then I orientate it to the middle of the inserted point, so I can mirror the door without moving it. Then this part here is to create the to get the wall thickness. So this is just the parent plugin which checks in which next parent object it is insert, and this is the wall, and with this I get the wall thickness and put it into the thickness of the plugin. I have here a manual character factor which is based on the symbol. So it's, if you use another graphic inside that, you have to just correct this value with a known value. Then the wall hole is also scripted here inside of that. I just make a wall hole with the width and height of the object. And this is the 2D wall cut. It is made with two locus points, like I had a 2D symbol. In this part, I reshaped the 2D representation of the door, which is also quite old, but still very useful node, custom node of me. This is also quite a bit of code inside of that to make it possible to just reshape the graphic. So at least I modeled the door opening in 2D. Is quite a big part of the script is to just make a line and an arc to show the door opening of this object. Then it will be inserted in this class, which is written in this string, and at least the IFC settings also are included inside of that plugin. So I think we have here a very nice prototype for every custom door, let's say. Oh, this is a little bit low. It's like 800 millimeter and 300 millimeter. A good prototype example to creating a door with a Marionette workflow. I hope you have fun with this movie, and I wish you a good time. Bye bye. Tschüss.